Yo, what's up, everybody? So I got a box of these Topps Chrome from 2020. Um, I don't think I've ever opened any of these before. I don't think I've even ever gotten Topps Chrome. But found these at a card shop. Thought I'd check them out. Anyways, let's get to unboxing these. Alright, so we got the hit right here. That looks a little, might be a little bent there, but okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs, and Topps Chrome 3 trading cards in this. I think that's the hit pack. So check these out. Got Becky Lynch on the cover of these. Man, these don't like coming out. They're a little sticky. But they should be all shiny, I believe. They're all shiny cards, yeah. There we go. Top card, we got Sheamus, Zelina Vega. Ooh, Cameron Grimes. All right. Ooh, here's a hit. Dexter Loomis. That's some kind of like refractor one or something like that. Cool. First pack. These cards look nice. Nice and crisp. I believe Dexter Loomis is not on NXT anymore. Yeah, that says it's a rookie card there on there too. Same with Cameron Grimes, rookie card. I like Cameron Grimes ever since he did that music video, To the Moon. Oh, that's great. That was great. That was a great video. I think is okay. Got Matt Riddle. There we go. Nice card there. These cards look nice. Fabian Eichner. I don't even know if he's in WWE anymore. That's he's a UK. There you go. Nice card of AJ Styles. Looks like a kind of a refractor card of Mia Yim. All right. I can't tell. Is this one a special refractor one too? I think it is. Got 2 of them in this pack. It's like a rainbow kind of colors in them. All right. Next pack. Whoa, those kind of just popped right out. Here you go, Walter. Didn't he change his name recently? I'm not sure. I thought he did. Talking like Gunter or something? I'm not sure. There we go. Got a try there. Got a Lana. And we got Pete Dunne, who is now Butch. I don't know why he changed his name, but I'm not going to complain. I don't really care if people change their names in wrestling. There we go. Jeff Hardy. All right. Jeff Hardy. And we got Eric from the Viking Raiders, something like that. Oh, here we go. Fantasy matches. Trish Stratus versus Alexa Bliss. All right. Is that a special insert? I think so. I don't know. It's FM10 numbered. Now we got a Ronda Rousey. There we go. Ronda Rousey. There we go. Bobby Lashley. We got Aleister Black. Shinsuke Nakamura. All right. And Peyton Royce. Okay. Okay, cool. 2 more packs than the special hit pack, I think. Boa? I don't know who that is. It's a rookie card. Boa. Is he still in WWE? I'm not sure. Candice LeRae. We got the Hurricane. This is a special one. BL9. So, it's a legend. It's a WWE legend. Okay. And we got a John Cena. John Cena. Alright, 1 more of these. Alexander Wolf. I don't know if he's still in WWE. Travis Banks. Ooh, who's this? This is a special one. Shocking wins. Kevin Nash. Oh, Kevin Nash ends Goldberg's undefeated streak. 12/27/98. Cool. That's a cool card. All right. And we got a Carmella. Carmella. Okay. Okay. Now on to the special packs. Not the special pack. It says there's 3 trading cards in here. So ooh, we got a Charlotte Flair. We got a Jey Uso, and Naomi. There we go. These are all those like square refractor ones. I don't know exactly what they're called, but cool. Cool. Nice cards there. Okay, so that is it for these. I got another box of Topps Finest that I'm going to be opening up soon. So, I'm going to do another video of that in a little bit. So, that's it for now. I will see you next time. Like and share if you like this. Anyways, have a good one.